Hi, this is Dr. Rugenstein, and you know how I do historic cemeteries, things of that nature. Some people like those, some people don't. I like them. But in any case, that whizzing by was a woman that I just helped with directions. In any case, we're at a really famous cemetery in many respects. Here, let me turn this around here and show you where we are. Well, we're near the airport. But this is the Shaker Cemetery. First burials here on this site were 1787. Later leaders were reburied here. The Shakers came to the U.S. in 1774. They moved to Albany in 1776. As it says here, orderly arrangement and simple design of the stones reflect community lifestyle, egalitarian. Part of the Shaker settlement, U.S. following their charismatic leader, Mother Ann Lee. Small band went from Manchester to New York City in 1774, and 12 Shakers arrived here in 1776. 445 burials, and there's more. You can pause this here and read it. Now they have it set here because they don't want the gates to swing open, I guess. But nothing is here that says you can't go in. So I don't see any padlocks, nothing of that nature. It looks like just something for people to make sure. Oh yeah, I understand that. Yeah, it doesn't stay closed. In any case, I will close that up when I leave. But this is the Shaker Cemetery. You can see it's all about the same. No little Shakers unless they were sort of adopted in. They were celibate for the most part. Well, no, for all parts they were celibate. I'm looking for Mother Ann Lee's grave. I'm going to think it's over here somewhere. But in any case, they were known as the Shaking Quakers because they're very similar in that way. But they had different beliefs. The Quakers weren't celibate. And that's not her. I've been here before and have found her site, but I don't know. I don't see any names. These are very old. But that's sort of the way she would have it, I would suppose. I don't know who this is. Rhonda Chase, 78. Yeah, the Quakers died out. Or excuse me, the Shakers died out because there are no little Shakers. I do remember being here before and seeing her grave. Could it possibly be up here in the front? That's possible. Since I really don't remember where she was on these graves. These have been redone, as you can see. I don't see her gravesite here. These are redone. Well, not redone, but cleaned. Oh, there she is. It's a little bigger and a little taller. But Mother Ann Lee, born in Manchester, England, died in Watervliet, 1784, 1736. And you can see people left tokens of their love. So, many thought she was the incarnation, the second coming of Christ. But they died out And there's settlements around here. New Lebanon has a settlement. I believe that they still have people living there. Albany here, we'll do that one time. But Albany has quite the museum and things. Well, it's not really a museum. It's more of a, what would you say? Memorial location. It's a Shaker Museum. They have a number of things there. I'll read the description, of course. There's lots more in the description. So pretty famous. And you can see how pretty uniform, except for hers. Hers is a little bigger. I didn't see if there's anything written on the back. No, nothing on the back. Well, I guess with that, I'm just going to say thank you for taking the time to look at this famous cemetery. Historic. Please ring the bell. Hit the like button. Subscribe. That's not quite the order, but do those things anyways. Thumbs up. Make sure you hit the thumbs up there. That helps the algorithm and all that sort of thing. So in any case, thanks again for watching, and see you soon. Flags must be veterans. Let's see. Died 1838. War of 1812 maybe? I don't know, hard to say. All right.